First day at the coffee shop. It's fun. Getting late to work, which is always fun. We fit, but I have a shirt that goes better for when I'm working at the hospital. Yep, gotta go. This is my tip cup. I always draw myself on them, and I have a couple from the past. Alright, I just finished my first job at the coffee shop. It was so busy in the beginning, and a lot of that has to do with that we're the only coffee shop that's open right now, like a sit-in. There's the drive-thru one, but the other coffee shop in town apparently has new owners, and so the new owners found out that they had a lot more work to do on the building than they thought, and so it's not open. So yeah, that's really fun that we're the only coffee shop in town. It's Memorial Day, so working on a holiday, we really love that a lot. On Memorial Day, super fun. It was so busy in the morning, and it was my first day back after not being there for a couple months, and that was a ton of fun. It's fine. We trained in 2 new people. I didn't. Some other people did, and they are amazing. I would not be able to train people on Memorial Day that busy, but I'm glad we have new workers. They seem amazing. I love their attitude. But yeah, off to the second job. Off to the hospital. Woo! Can't believe I did this, but I was so stressed about being late for my next job that I accidentally left an hour early. I was supposed to leave at 2:40, and I ended up leaving at 1:40, and I clocked into my other job, and then I showed up at my workstation, and the other person was there, and I was like, "Hi, how's it been?" Blah blah blah, and they were like, "Yeah, wow, you're early," and I was like, I thought I was on time, because I was like, man, I thought I was gonna be late. And they were like, "Wow, you're early." I was like, huh? I made myself a London fog, but iced. I like it iced. I'm so tired. I can't believe I did that. It was really such a beautiful day at the park. For some reason there was a bunch of garbage, and it's really sad because it's usually not like that. Now I'm going back to work for round 2. Let's go. Woo. My friend Amelia came with to pick up the garbage, and we ended up walking around the whole park, and we discovered that it was the birds that had ripped apart the garbage bin and threw garbage everywhere, which was really sad, but I'm glad that we were able to pick up some of it.
The believed culprits.
The birds. Is it a crow feather?
I believe so.
Because they're also it's stuck to the ground. Ew. It wasn't as much as I thought it was.
Still more than it should have been.
Yeah.
Oh!
Fun stuff.
Adapting is what I do best these days.
What time is it? Oh, it's 1.
It took us half an hour.
Yeah, that was not bad. Thanks for joining me at such a late time.
Sitting.
Alright, time to go toss this. I don't want to judge or anything, but why is it so dirty? Getting a for real.
My devastation is through the roof.
It's so sad. And look, they have all the ones right there. But you could mix it yourself.
I'm not doing that.
DIY. Ice pitbull. Root beer? No way. Amelia, you'd never believe it, but I haven't had Mountain Dew since April.
I don't believe you.
High key, this is a weird fit.